subscribe to the channel. So last time we had left off at this juncture where we had done the roof and placed some additional windows like the ones we did over here. So what I want to do right now, I want to go ahead and edit the chimney before going further and placing objects inside the house. Also need to do the ceiling of this house, but at this moment let me first edit the chimney. So in order to edit the chimney, I'm just going to click right over here, right click and go back to the ground floor. Once I'm at the ground floor, I have these walls over here. So I have these walls over here. I'm holding shift button and I want to select all the four sides of this chimney. That includes this chimney. And then press Ctrl T, and I want this chimney to go to a height of around let me say an additional 2000 to it, so that we have it going to a level of around 5000. As I go to the 3D, just check on its height, if it's at appropriate height, just to beat it. I kind of feel like 5000 is a little bit high. Let me try to do it at around 4500. So just go back to the ground floor, select this once again, but this time press Ctrl T, and this time we are going to do it at maybe an additional 1000, we see if it's at an appropriate height to the chimney. So yeah, I think I can work with that point. Yeah, I can work with it in that level. So it's at a level of 4000. It's at a height of 4000 from the ground. Okay. And the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to do a cover of it. I'm going to add a cover to it here at the top. So I'm just going to right click this and go to the first story, so that I can be it should be visible from the first story. I can still just work with it on it from my ground floor. So from my ground floor, what I want to do, I'm going to do a line. Go to the document tool and I select my line over here, and then use this rectangular setting. I'm going to use instead of using black, let me use something visible like red. I can use 20. And then I want to do this. I'm going to select the rectangle, then I want to draw just a line like that. The next thing I want to do with this line is that I want to offset this line. So in order to offset this line, I'm going to come to this window tool. Once I'm at the window tool, I'll go to this platelets tab, and then this menu does pop up, and then I'm just going to scroll downwards up to the point where I'm going to have this control box, and I press on that. So when you click on the press box on the control box, we have this control box appearing over here. I'm going to go to this tab over here and change this. I'm going to click this arrow over here, but before that I'm going to click this arrow. Once I click on the arrow, we have this line, this menu appearing also. I want to click on this one for the offset. I just need to offset the box that I've just drawn over here, and then use the magic wand in order to be able to offset this. Just hold the shift button. I'm going to offset it at a distance of can do 150. Just press enter. 150 looks a little bit huge. Let me do it at let me set it at a distance of 100. Yeah, let me do it at a distance of 100. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to go to the design tools. I go to my slab tool. I just right click it. Once it opens up, I'm going to do it to thickness of 200. I'm going to change all of this to glossy white. Press on the tab, and I want it to be at a reference of. Recall that we did place our wall of the chimney to a height of 4,000. At 4,000, including the thickness of the slab, should be at a level of 4,200. So 4,200, and just press OK. I'm still going to use the magic wand, so just come on over there. Let's see, the magic wand. Yeah, just go ahead and move the magic wand like that. So then come to 3D. Let me first go back to the ground floor. Using the magic wand. I need to do this slab over here. Using this magic wand. Or let me just do the reverse of this. Let me just undo that. Okay, oh yeah, that's slab over there. When I go to 3D, we have a slab appearing right over there on top, at the very top over there. Can just repeat this, but still not yet done with editing. I need to do some kind of openings over here that the smoke from the fireplace can be able to kind of place to where it can escape. And just go back to the ground floor and go back to this window tool. Just right click it. Once it opens up, I'm going to go ahead and look for a curved type of window. Can use for empty type of such term for an empty door. Can decide to use an ellipse one, or you can decide to use a rectangular one. In my case, maybe let me just use the rectangular one this time around. It's a rectangular opening, and I want it to be a level of let me give it a height of something like 500, and I want it to be at a level of something like maybe 3,500 or maybe 3,200. Let me do 3,200. 3,200. In terms of its window, we can still work with it being at something like 900 maybe, or just do 500 still. 500, and then press OK. And I just go to this wall like this and press that empty window over there. Similarly to this point, go ahead and just press it like that, and then go to 3D. We have our chimney right over here. It doesn't look so pleasing. You can go ahead and select this window. Let's select this window. This. So what has appeared is that 500 seems to be a little bit huge for this window. Let's try to open this again to be able to select for this window. Okay, let me just undo this. Let me edit this. Oh, let me just undo that, so that is no longer there. Then just go back to the window tool, place it at a level of 4200, level of maybe 3700. At 700, then I'm going to have it in at a height of 300. Give it height of 300, and then maybe also this one to be 300. Just press OK. Going back to the ground floor, just press this window. Right over there. And this one right over there. You can go to the ready first. Yeah. Place something like that. You can also do another one on this end, right over there. This other one right over there, and go to 3D. Then let's go back to ground floor. Let me just undo this a little bit. Come back to 200 instead. Mark 200 by 200. 200 by 200. So 200 by 200, and then just placing them like this. Like that. So when you come to 3D, something like that right over there. So back to where I was saying. So we have this chimney over here. I need to place some openings over here. So back to the window tool. I'm just going to set it at height of 200 by 200. Giving it 200 by 200. And just press OK. You can come back to the ground floor, or let me just 300, because like 200 seems a little bit small. So make it 300 by 300. 200 by 300. Just press OK, and then just go ahead and place that one like that in that direction. Place this one like that in that direction. Place this one like that in that direction. Place this one like that in that direction. Let's come to 3D, and there, that's our chimney over here. You can now beat this. The other thing that I need to do, I need to use a different texture for this chimney. So I can just go ahead and select its walls. Go back to the ground floor. Hold on to the shift button. Select these ones. So we'll go to Control T, you go to its model, you allow all the surfaces, but this time around we want to go ahead and use stonework 13, uniform, and then press OK. Go to 3D, and you have that the stonework right over there. Let's go ahead and orbit this. So we have that as our chimney right over there. If you go to 3D, and just go ahead and explore this. So in order to explore, right over here, down here, we have this explore tab over here. Just press on it, then you go here 3D explore. Right now, the next thing you do is just maneuver like the way you do in a game. So as you can see, this is our chimney right over here, and on this chimney I need to do an opening over here, some window for the fireplace. So for that, just go back to my ground floor, go back to my window tool, and on my empty type of window I'm going to go to for this one, ellipse type of window. I want it to begin at a level of 100, and then you can beat at a height of 1000, and you can give it you can open it like that. Press OK. You need to vary its length. You can work with something like 700. Press OK. Something like that. And you go to 3D. You have that opening over there. So we have that opening over there for a chimney right over there for fireplace. As you can see, I also need to do the ceiling of this house. Just explore. I think the next thing I should do is the chimney. It's the ceiling, sorry. So so far that's our house plan with its progress. It's the progress of our house plan. So it's progressing. So I need to do the ceiling of this particular house. Just go back to the ground floor. Go back to the slab tool over here. You can click on ceiling. Go first to the slab tool. I want to change this ceiling. It can be a thickness of 18, and like they have indicated 30. We use 18. Then on its model, you can go ahead and use stucco yellow. I want it to be uniform enough. We can put it at a level of 2670. You can work with 2670. since our beam is at a level of 2700. Then instead of using magic wand, we can just go ahead and draw it manually, since it's going to interfere with the textures of this roof. So just do this like that up to the end of this, so like that, till you have something like that, somewhere there. So right over here, let me just undo this. I seem to have messed up somewhere over here. So I'm working like this. That's what I was saying, that you need to be very careful, so that when you're mapping out these details, that you don't end up messing up with the outlook of your plan. And then back to my thread node. Can have that one like that. Actually, it's supposed to go up to the boundaries of this. So that's our ceiling over there. Also need to get rid of this line work, so that it doesn't make my drawing look clumsy. Yeah, I can do that. The next thing we need to do is still need to do the slab for this other side, and for this point, the ceiling. So in order for one to do a ceiling, there is usually we first do some blundering on the roof. Blundering, basically what you have to do is that you'll have to have some wooden timber being used of the size of 2 by 2 inches, crossing this side and this side. In my section, we are going to indicate it. They are mostly referred to as joysticks. Yeah, so that's more information on ceilings. We also have different designs being used today. You can have you doing a gypsum kind of ceiling, which does improve on the appearance of your house and such. But in my case, this time around, I'm just going to use this normal ceiling that you are more or less used to. So yeah, but you should check out for very soon. I'm going to release a video on how you get to do a gypsum kind of ceiling, so watch out for that. I would have preferred to do it on this video, but it will take quite a lengthy video to do just some kind of ceiling. And for this one, basically the main focus was to do just the basics of coming up with a plan, being able to produce it in a blueprint. So yeah, very soon I'm going to release that video on how you get to do just some kind of ceiling. So yeah, watch out for that, guys. Just I'm editing on this ceiling that I need to do. I'm just going to drag this node, yeah, right over there. And this one can just shift it right over there. So that is this space over here. Yeah, we need it to be something like that. So I need to do another one on this one. I'm also going to do another one. So I think in this video is getting long. My next video is where I'm going to do the placing of the objects, so that at least you can be able to define these rooms, because at the moment I'm sure you are all wondering which room is this, but I'm sure you do have an idea right now of what I'm working on. So yeah, need to do one partition. Also, I need to delete this black lines over here so that it doesn't make my plan to look clumsy and over detailed. You know, you can end up having a very over detailed plan, and it makes your work look very clumsy. I'm just going to select that line and just delete it. Also, I'm also going to do a video on how when you go to plot on the blueprint, how you can come up with the roof plan. So yeah, stick with me till the end of this on, because it's surely worth it. So we can go to 3D and you can see our plan. You can go ahead and just explore. In this whole person over here. Yeah, so as I come and explore, you can see I've been able to do the ceiling in this house. Yeah, even as I go ahead and enter the master bedroom, yeah, you can see we have been able to do the ceiling a bit. So in my next video, I'm just going to go ahead and do the placing objects inside this particular plan, this house plan. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do next in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.